Hello, everybody. We are going to talk about modernizing web archives in like the bumpy road of converting ARC to WARC, and this is done in collaboration with my colleagues Sebastian Nagel and Tom Vaughan, and I'm Pedro. Okay. So let's start with a brief history, like why are we doing this? So the ARC format was created in 1996. It was meant to be this format that was going to carry different data objects, and it was going to be a format that was for the purpose of storing, management, exchange. It was characterized by having a one-liner header, and then with some description of the content, and then followed by the retrieval content. And then in 2008, this ARC format was extended to the WARC format that we use today. And it generalizes a little bit better, but most importantly, as we're going to see, it allows to accommodate more annotations, metadata that we are going to put in the header, and are going to give us a little bit more information about the thing that's inside, the thing that is contained in the files. So here is an example of an ARC file. I think the important thing that we need to care about is the header that is on top. It's just that one line that has the URL in this case, the IP address, and then, well, some additional information. And here is, hopefully, I think everybody has seen it, an example of a WARC file from Common Crawl that has way more information in the header, as you can see. So why do we want to do this? Well, it's because the first three crawls from Common Crawl were in ARC format, and you can see some details about them there. And the main reason why we want to convert them is that, well, we see that today we have very low support for the ARC file format, even though, well, the header is just one line. But this is one of the least accessed, these are some of the least accessed, let's say, splits of our data set. And we see that there are a lot of bugs and glitches in the ARC files written, at least by our software. Sebastian detected some problems with the ARC files in 2019 when he was indexing them using WARC.io. And, well, there were some workarounds made, and here are some of the issues that he discovered. So the first one is that we detected that there were some ARC files with invalid URIs, as you can see there. And in the indexing, this broke the sort canonicalization. The second one that we detected, and you can see an example here, there's a white space sometimes in URLs. And this is a very common problem with Java crawlers because the Java URL class doesn't complain about white spaces, but the URI class does. So when we try to convert it to WARC, which requires a URI, then we start having problems. Again, well, Sebastian had some fixes for both of these. And the final problem that we detected is that, well, when you're parsing it, you're using the content length here at the end. And as you can see, well, I don't have the full record here, but the reported content length for this particular record was 13,033, and it was actually 13,020. And this, of course, breaks some of the parsers that are expecting a specific content length, but then encounter a different content length. So, well, there's also a fix for that that Sebastian implemented, but here we have a little survey of conversion and validation software. In general, you can use whatever you have for reading and writing WARCs and ARCs. So here you have some examples, and then these are some of the validation software that you can also use. Thank you, and maybe one last thing is, these are the things that we encounter, these are the problems that we encounter, but you might have encountered other problems in your record, so please take a look at them when you're trying to do this. Thanks.